Hello everyone and welcome back to Philippines Update. This is Ashley and for today's video, we're gonna talk about the top 5 Filipino phrases you should know before traveling to the Philippines. So, let's go! We all know that Filipinos speaks English, but Filipinos appreciate it when you try to speak the language. Learning a few basic phrases could go a long way in enhancing your travel experience. So, let's get started. Top 5. Magandang umaga or good morning. Magandang umaga, which means good morning in Filipino. It's a polite greeting used to wish someone a pleasant morning. Filipinos are known for their warm hospitality, and starting your day by greeting the locals with magandang umaga is a great way to make a positive impression. Magandang umaga. Dang umaga. Magandang umaga. Top 4. Saan po ang CR? Which translates to where is the bathroom? You may ask, what is CR? Toilet, bathroom, washroom, powder room? No, not in the Philippines. Here, we call it CR or comfort room. If you forgot, don't worry, most Filipinos can understand basic English, but learning a few essential phrases like this one shows respect for the local culture and can help you make some friends along the way. Say it with me again. Saan po ang CR? Saan po ang CR? Saan po ang CR? Top 3. Salamat. Thank you. Moving on to our third phrase, salamat, which means thank you in Filipino. Expressing gratitude is an important aspect of Filipino culture, and using salamat to thank local vendors or anyone who helps you during your trip will make them appreciate your gesture. Remember, a little gratitude goes a long way in fostering positive connections with the people you encounter on your journey. Salamat. Salamat. Our next phrase is magkano, which translates to how much. This question will come in handy when you're exploring local markets or shops and want to know the price of an item. Bargaining is a common practice in the Philippines, and using this phrase shows you're interested and willing to engage in friendly negotiation. Top 1. Po and opo. In Filipino culture, showing respect is highly valued, and one way to demonstrate respect is through the use of po and opo. These words are used as polite markers in conversations and interactions. Po is commonly used when speaking to someone older, in a higher position, or someone you hold in high regard. It's a way of adding politeness and deference to your speech. For example, instead of saying salamat or thank you, you can say salamat po to show respect to the person you're addressing. On the other hand, opo is used as a response when someone is speaking to you. For instance, if someone says, kumain na po kayo, or have you eaten yet? You can respond with opo. You could easily say yes, but saying opo is music to our ears. The use of po and opo in the Philippines is more than just a linguistic convention. It reflects the value of respect, humility, and politeness deeply ingrained in Filipino culture. It's a way of acknowledging the social hierarchy and showing consideration for others. And there you have it. That's our top 5 Filipino phrases. Incorporating these words in your interaction while visiting the country will not only help you connect with the locals but also demonstrate your appreciation for Filipino customs and traditions. If you found this video informative, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cultural insights and travel tips. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Maraming salamat po!